Now we've got oxygen, we've got our fuel, okay? We've got our heat. But if I did this, we really wouldn't get a real good explosion, so we are going to enhance our heat. So we're going to increase our heat level just a little bit, just a little bit. All right, so now we got a little more heat than what we had before. All right, it's ready to really get this thing going. Now we can't really do this unless I have your participation and energy. So y'all remember that volume level 4 that I don't let y'all use very often, but now you get to use, where you get to be as loud as you want to be? All right, y'all get to do that now. So very simple, this is what you're going to do. We're going to count down and y'all are going to be my fire starters. Y'all are fire brigade right here. You like 4 or 5 people right there. Everybody else, including y'all, are my fire starters. So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, and scream the word fireball as loud as you can. I don't care if they hear it all the way down there, okay? I mean yell it all together, okay? And if you'll do that, we should get a nice big fire. All right, make sure you face it up there that way, not towards yourself, that'd be bad, okay? All right, everybody ready? Okay, let me go ahead and hit the lights. Next time you can get that for me. All right, are we ready? Yep. Okay. All right, fire starters on ready. Ready? Okay, that wasn't good. Ready means when I go like this, you should go 3, 2. Okay, ready? Ready. 3, 2, 1. Fireball! That wasn't loud enough. Some of y'all weren't even talking. I want it louder, okay? That's why I held it there for a second, but that wasn't loud enough. Ready? Okay, one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Fireball! Okay. Well, it went out right before I hit it, and go ahead and hit the lights real quick. If you notice, we've got oxygen. We said that, right? We're all breathing, right? We've got fuel and we've got heat. But where did the fuel burn? Just right on the top side of the surface, right? Okay. Where is our fuel at with the air? It's all in a what? It's in a big pile that's condensed. Our air is having trouble getting anywhere. Let's focus, guys. Our air is having trouble getting anywhere except right here on top. So we've got to change how we attack this. All right? Very simple. We're going to do this. We're going to increase bath time here with surface air. Right there, we had a big pile of cornstarch. Put the flame right there. It got burned right there. We need to increase this. So we're going to make this into a powder so that way the air can get mixed all into this and we get a explosion. All right? Everybody got that? Okay, we're going to do that real simple. Simple process. You're still going to have the same job. Sit down underneath you, bend your knees a little bit, so that way we don't burn ceiling tiles. We're okay. And we're going to switch, and you're going to hold this. Okay, so you're going to go like this, and that's your job right there, that position. Okay? A little athletic, bend your knees a little bit so we're not burning the ceiling tile, and just like that. All right? That's all you got to do. Okay? Go ahead and hold that, get back in your position. Now to make this work, we're going to have to spread this cornstarch out and mix it with the air. So to do that, we're going to make a fancy device. I know it looks like a piece of paper, but we're going to make a fancy device that I call a cornstarch dispersal device. It's a rolled up piece of paper, but it's a cornstarch dispersal device today. Okay? All right. Okay, so everybody still ready? Yep. All right, go ahead and hit those lights. Let's go ahead and get our flame ready. Alright, tilt that up right about there. I'm going to walk behind you and close this door real quick. Alright. Don't want to burn anything in that cabinet or anything either. Okay? We all good? The video and photos is fine. Slow works really good. Alright? Okay. We ready? Alright. Ready? Okay, start over again. Let's go down all together. When I go like this, 3, 2, 1, fireball, okay? All right, ready?
3, 2, 1, fireball!
All right. Now, let's see if we got one more. So y'all all want to try one more. Sometimes it leaves a little bit in there. We'll try one more. Ready? 3, 2, 1, fireball! All right, got a little bit left. All right, but you saw the first one. Okay, go ahead and hit the lights. All right, so that time it exploded because why? What did we mix with the cornstarch effectively?
Air.
The oxygen. In the air, the oxygen was mixed in with it. Before, it was on top of it. Now, technically, before you post anything, any social media, you should make sure you get his permission. And did you sign a little thing? Did you sign a little thing in case somebody posts it that says you can be posted online and stuff like that? All right, that's your parents. They sign the paperwork. That's okay for you. Okay. Just make sure that, for me, I try to put pictures up out there, but I can't put pictures if your parents say we can't use your pictures. So make sure your parents don't just say, no, don't use a picture on anything. At least let it use it for school stuff and stuff like that. That'll help out. Okay, so it exploded because once again, we increased the what that the air was exposed to? The oxygen was exposed to more what? Math term?
Area.
Surface area, surface area, okay? All right, here's what you got. Okay, we might have time for a little closing. Honestly, expecting this second class to be a little bit shorter because I thought they were going to do the drill that they didn't do in second period. All right, everybody listen. I know y'all look at your phone, but stop for a second. Focus on me. Focus on me. All right, you got two things that basically happen until we close last. So there's about 16, 17 minutes left in class. About 10 to 12 minutes to work, and then we're going to close towards the end. Okay? All right, so here's what you got. In your composition book, you should have a page of notes written that's going to say fire safety notes. And you're going to copy these fire safety notes. Now, you get to choose which one you work on first. If you want to do this first, that's fine. Okay, you can get all the answers right here. I don't care if you work with a partner since there's only one sheet to read. Or they're going to be on the answers are going to be on your fire safety notes. Okay? All right, everybody a hand for the person who was our demo person. All right, now put your lab coat up. I always show back, everybody take this off. I use this as an opportunity to show you how to fold a lab coat. Okay? A lot of y'all think you do, but you don't. So listen. Okay? When you're folding a lab coat, you fold the neck down to the bottom. Okay? Just like that. Now you fold in half, half, half. And it should be about that size. It's really not that hard. Neck down at the bottom, and then half, half, half. And it should look a rectangular shape. It's not perfect as long as it's close. That's good. It just can't be thrown down there in a pile like some of them do. Okay? All right? That's something always to know. Okay? All right. So there, I know it smells like a little cornstarch. That's why I got the fume hood to try to pull out as much of that as possible. There is a page of notes I'm going to put up here. You can use it to answer the question, and I expect you to copy and abbreviate as you can. This says notes. You can abbreviate somewhere. It's like the word extinguish. You use EXT or something like that for extinguisher. Okay? All right. So your job is a worksheet plus notes. You can do whichever one you want first. And if you can't see the fire safety notes, everybody look up here. Here's your canvas now. When you go to your canvas, it looks like this. When you click on the first 6 weeks page, it looks like this. Look, I've got everything on there, guys. Got everything on there we've done so far. Even if you miss something in my class, I've got the demo lab form. Okay, please focus. This is where I'm expecting you to focus for the pre-AP class and get this, but it's just me saying it. Okay. It has due dates for everything that's due. There's notes, it's not going to have due dates when I put them on there. It's got due dates for when everything's due. It's got a lab form, so if I have info or videos and stuff, you can do the lab at home without actually being up here and turn it in on your own if you want a grade instead of just an empty grade or excused grade, especially if you're absent a bunch or if you want to see what we did. If you ever had to turn something in that's on paper and you've lost it and you can't get a hold of me before it's due, because if you come in that day it's due in class and you go, you got another one of those? I'm going to go, yeah, it's going to be late now that you don't have time in class. So if you got a printer at home, you can print out anything that we basically got over. And I have due dates for exams and stuff coming up. So there's an exam at the end of this week. All right, there'll be a review on there probably tomorrow. My canvas is very easy to follow, but you've got to use it. So if you can't see my notes here in a second on my fire safety note, guess what? They're right there. Okay? So I expect you to copy this page of notes and then use this page and this page to answer this. You can work with a partner on the answers on this. Don't work as a huge table. All right, so volume level kind of 1 and copy notes. Copy notes and worksheets. What you got? Kind of
It's right. We're gonna work together. Nick, you have to work with you guys. He doesn't want to work with me. He never told me that.
But they're up here. Hey, volume level should be, I shouldn't hear it, should be 1 between you and a partner. Okay, not 0, it's not individual, but if you're looking at a partner, right there on your left hand, that's fine. Yeah. Monitor your volume level.
right here, whoever's looking at